Hello, let's do the New York Times Hard Sudoku for February 14th, 2025. There's a link in the description if you'd like to try the puzzle yourself, and I'm going to get started right now. All right, let's start with this 1 and the 5. Horizontally, not seeing much to do. Okay, this 5 and this 5 actually is helpful. So it puts a 5 in one of these two cells. That's going to point along with this 5, putting a 5 up here. These two 5s look down, and this 5 looks in. Placing this 5, these two 5s, then put a 5 in one of these two. Oh, this 5 looks into this box. Oh, I was going to say it ends up over here, but we actually have these two 5s helping as well. So we can place this 5, which places that 5. And now we have 7 5s placed. The remaining 2 are in this rectangle here that we can't resolve yet. Nice, all right. So we basically don't have to worry about 5s anymore. We're going to see them in almost every box. We do have 2 1s here. Puts a 1 in one of these two. I was hoping to see a 1 in this column somewhere, because that would have placed, or not placed, but put the 1 in one of these two, making claiming. But not the case, not yet at least. Maybe not ever. Let's make sure we don't skip too far ahead. I don't want to jump around too much because it's harder to follow this all. So let's just keep looking here. We have the 3 and the 8. So we do have 2 3s here. This 3 looks in. We got a bunch of singles right at the start. These 2 3s look down. Putting a 3 down here. So what else do we have with 3s? These 2 3s look down, putting a 3 in one of these two. And then this 3 looks down, these 2 3s look in, putting a 3 here. Another case where I thought it was going to end up like this, but these 3s actually caused it to be placed. We have this annoying pattern here where they don't line up at all. So there's 2 options in each row for the 3. All right. 3, 8. 8 is next. I guess we have these 2 8s looking down, putting an 8 in one of these two. Okay. Yeah, I don't see anything else with 8s. I mean, there's these 2 8s, might as well do it, but would have done that on the next band pass. Band pass. The band pass filter. Anyway, this 2. We do have 2 2s looking down. This 2 looks in. 2 in one of those 2. I don't think we have much else to do with 2s. We have the 7 and the 9. We shouldn't find any buddies, or we would have already taken care of them. But vertically, we do have the 9s. It's a 9 in one of these two. The 7, no real luck there. Okay. I mean, this formation really feels like there. I mean, we found the 5. It really feels like there should be more to find, but there doesn't seem to be right now. Okay. Next band. Let's do the 3 and the 8. So, okay, the 3s are done. The 8s we already took care of just now. How about the 2? I don't see anything. Okay. 2, 3, 5. Unfortunately, 3 and 5 are like just done. That's why it looks like we have a lot more going on than we do. We took care of the 8s already. We took care of this 2, so just the 4 and 7 now. We do have 2 7s here that look up. This 7 looks in, putting a 7 here. These 2 7s look over, putting a 7 up here. Is there any more follow-up with that? I mean, since we already scanned this band, it's important to do as much follow-up as possible. I do actually want to look at this row, which has 4 digits left. We need the 2, 4, 6, 7. 2, 4, 6, 7. Well, this can't be... this can't be 2 or 7. So 4, 6, I guess? This can't be 7, 2, 4, 6. 4, 6, 7. Yeah, nothing super special. The only thing we learned is for the 7s over here, which we already knew. Okay. I don't think there's any other follow-up here. How many of these digits aren't in the box? The 8 and the 7. So 4 and 6. These can't be 4, 6. No, I don't think I want to do anything with that right now. Maybe it's just this column that I want to think about the digits. Maybe that's what I'm seeing. I need a 1, 2, 3, and 9. 1, 2, 3, 9. So the 3 can't be here. So these are 1, 2, 9. That's not a 2. So I guess I did end up penciling those. This can't be 1, 2, so this is 3, 9. And this can't be 9, so this is 1, 2, 3. 9 can be actually 3 places. Is it this? It's here. This 2, 1, 4 looks into here. Or alternatively, this 5, 6, 7 against this row. We're going to do both. So 2, 1, and 4 look into here. 2, 1, and 4 are not placed yet. There's only, so I guess I should say 1, 2, 4 if we want to go in order. 1, 2, 4 need to end up in this box somewhere, and they can only go in these 3 cells. This is huge, actually. It gives us the 3 and the 8 at the very least. Because this is a hidden triple. When you get a hidden pair, hidden triple, hidden single even, it removes everything else that could have been in those cells. So we need these 3 cells to be 1, 2, and 4. If I put a 3 here or an 8 here, or anything else like that, and that's not 1, 2, 4, I won't be able to place all of 1, 2, 4 in the box. So this needs to be from 1, 2, 4. This needs to be from 1, 2, 4, meaning it can't be 3, which places the 3 here. This needs to be from 1, 2, 4, which means it can't be 8, which places the 8 there. This 3 places that 3, which places that 3. Nice. So those 3s that were annoying got resolved, and we get snow in the corner for placing a 3 there. Just a little Easter egg that Sudoku Pad has. There's a 9 there. And then these end up 5, 6, 7, which we already knew. The 5, 7 looks down, though, placing the 6. Giving us the 4 here as well. Let's clean all this up. And then this is going to be a 5, 7 pair. Okay, just got a bunch of digits. So we always want to follow up. Okay, so we know this is going to be a pair. We also know because of these 8s corner marked, this isn't 8 and this can be. So that's our 8. And that's 1. So it places the 1 there. All right, honestly, that got us enough progress. We may be able to just pencil our way to victory here. This 6, 7 looks in, putting a 6, 7 here. And then this ends up being a 9. So this 8 resolves it, the 9 and the 8. Okay, this 9 looks in here, putting a 9 in one of these two. So that means 9, yeah, 9's in one of these two. You can see that from the column. I'm just following up on the digits we got. These two 8s actually do put an 8 down here. So this is going to be restricted to at most 2 digits because it's not 2 or 8. It's not 5, 7. So in fact, this is 1, 2, 4 for the row. So let's just fill that out. That's not a 2. Easiest way to do that. 1, 2, 4, 8 down here. This can't be 2, so it's 1, 4, 8. Okay. These 4 digits are 1, 2, 6, 9. So this can't be 1 or 2 or 9. So this is a naked 6. This is 1, 2. I really think this puzzle is basically done. I mean, obviously we're not done, but like I don't think it doesn't seem like there's anything more complicated to find than just penciling and seeing how things resolve. But 2, 6, 7 here. I kind of got lost because there's not a whole lot to still scan here. Like this bottom band is penciled. How about like the 6 and the 5 I got? Okay, we just have so much low-hanging fruit. I'm just going to keep focusing on that. This is 7, 9. So that, oh yeah, that 9 looks down. So that's 7, that's 9, that's 5, that's 7. That's our 5. 5s are done now. This puzzle was not too difficult today. I need the 1, 6, 8. Here I need the 4, 6, 9. It's not 9. Okay. This box, I'm just doing low-hanging fruit here. Oh, how about this column first, because it's 3 digits. 1, 2, 3, we need 4, 6, 7. I thought I saw something, but no. It's 4, 6, 7. That's not 7. 4, 6, 4, 6, 7. Okay, now we'll do this box. We need a 2, 4, 6, 7. 2's not looking in. These can't be 7. So the 7's actually down here. These are 2, 4, 6. It's not a 4. This is 2, 6, 7. This can't be 7. This can't be 7. So the 7's placed there for the column. I think that might do it, but we'll see. Oh, this puzzle still feels done. 2, 6 here. That's a 2, 6, 7 triple. I don't know. Is that an important spot? Like, does the puzzle get stuck if you don't find that? I don't know. But 2, 6, 7, this is a naked triple in the box, which eliminates 2, 6, and 7 from the rest of the box. Because, well, let's just look, right? If you're like, that's not a triple, that's you right now. It is a triple. We have to put 2, 6, and 7 here, which means we can't put 2, 6, 7 here. Watch what happens if I put a 6 here. Okay, that's a 7. That's a 2. This is a we'll do it a different way then. Maybe this 6 makes that a 2 and that a 7, and right? I ran out of digits because I used one of them that was supposed to go here. So can't be a 6. That's our 4. That's not a 4. This places the 4 in the column. That gives us the 1 and the 2. That's not a 1. That's not a 1. That's not a 2. This is 4, 8. That's not a 4. 1, 2, 9. Triple. Can't be a 2. That's our 6. That's 7 and 2 and 6. See? 2, 6, 7 ended up there. That's 2, 4, and 6. That's our 7. That's 4, 9, and 6. That's 1 and 2. 8, 1, and 6. That's 9 and 1. That's 9 and 2. That's 1 and 2. That's 8 and 4. This is a 4. This is 9 and 8. And we're done. All right. Okay, cool. Really nice and just nice and quick today. Maybe the two things to find are these things, right? This what people call the New York Times trick, but it's even kind of a simplified version of it, where this 1, 2. Why can't I say it in order? The 1, 2, 4 needed to end up here, and the 5, 6, 7 needed to end up here, just because of geometry. And then also we had this 2, 6, 7 triple here. There was also a triple in this column we found, but this was probably a hidden 6 anyway. Cool. Well, let me know how you did. If you enjoyed this, then why don't leave a like, subscribe, and a kind comment below.